Hello, we are Bays& Company, and we will be presenting the Lush Consulting Project. Here is our table of contents, just to give you an overview of what we will be discussing today. And here is our team. I'm Christina, and then we have Georgia, Francesca, Christian, and Alex. Just for a little introduction and background to Lush, Lush is a company that makes shampoos, soaps, bath bombs, and other beauty products. According to Lush's website, their master plan is the following three steps: make products for every need, be number one in every category, and create a cosmetic revolution to save the planet, as sustainability and ethical practices are their core value. They have very strong campaigns against animal testing, which is also included on all of their packaging. They introduced their own supplier-specific boycott policy, which ensures that none of their suppliers test on animals. On top of that, they use raw materials and work to reduce packaging and product waste. They have a no social media advertising approach, as they feel social media has too much control over people because of the addictive algorithms. And their biggest competitors, as stated by the co-founder Mark Constantine, are L'Occitane and Body Shop. However, Lush differs from these companies because they really work on the quality of the ingredients and they focus on making the finished product as effective as possible. Also, just to quickly mention that there was a attempted partial acquisition in 2022 from Silverwood Brands PLC. They tried to acquire a 19.8 stake from previous employees of Lush. However, Lush rejected this transfer because it was not in accordance with their policies. This is important to note as we will soon discuss potential M&A options for Lush.
Lush's organizational culture is progressive, focused on ethical practices and social responsibility, with a flat structure that promotes openness and authentic leadership. While this aligns with their values, challenges in labor relations highlights the need for stronger leadership alignment. Their unique selling point is vegan, ethical products, with a business model that has adapted for over 25 years. However, balancing sustainability with profitability is a key concern, along with maintaining ethical sourcing, managing production, and navigating competition, cost fluctuations, and regulatory compliance. After evaluating Estee Lauder as a potential merger for Lush, we recommend against pursuing this opportunity. While the merger could provide access to advanced R&D, an extensive distribution network, and enhanced financial stability, there are significant risks. Lush's commitment to ethical practices, particularly its stance on animal testing, is at odds with Estee Lauder's historical controversies. The cultural and leadership differences between the two could complicate integration, and a merger could alienate Lush's loyal customer base and dilute its successful brand identity. Lastly, Lush could risk losing its independence and core values within Estee Lauder's luxury-focused portfolio.
These are reasons why Lush should not merge with Natura & Co. First is Lush's governance structure. Lush operates by prioritizing their social impact over their profits, while Natura operates on a more corporate structure. Second is Lush's commitment to CSR and ESG. Lush is a small-scale, radical approach to sustainability, while Natura has a more corporate strategy, and this means that Lush could lose their individuality. And Lush's brand image. Lush has a strong independent brand loyalty, and Natura is more corporate structure, which might lead to conflict when they merge.
Another potential strategic merger considered was with Dabur India. However, we have identified some red flags suggesting significant risks. For instance, there is a mismatch in corporate culture, with Dabur adopting a hierarchical management approach, whereas Lush follows an activist-driven and inclusive leadership style. Operationally speaking, Dabur focuses on mass production of FMCG products, distributing them via supermarket channels, while Lush distributes its handmade, sustainable, and personalized products directly to consumer via retail approach. Moreover, Dabur's mass market and traditional Ayurvedic products could dilute Lush's reputation for innovation, ethical commitment, and premium quality, potentially alienating the core activist consumer base. Of course, an M&A can be a powerful strategic move capable of delivering substantial growth, competitive strength, and valuable innovation. However, a successful M&A heavily relies on choosing the right partner. Poor alignment in culture, operations, or strategic direction could create more problems than solutions, causing internal conflicts, damaging Lush's cultivated brand identity, and potentially leading to negative customer reaction. Therefore, given the current challenges and strategic objectives set on the table, our advice is clear. Any potential merger of the previously mentioned candidates must be approached with rigorous assessment, ensuring a deep compatibility. Therefore, we are suggesting a strategic partnership with John Lewis Partners that would ensure independence and integrity of decision making.
Our suggestion would be a strategic alliance with John Lewis. First of all, this would enhance market reach and brand exposure, but also access to a loyal upscale customer base as well as expanded distribution channels. John Lewis is renowned for its high quality service and loyal customer following. Aligning with John Lewis would allow Lush access to customers who value quality and ethical practices, potentially increasing Lush's market penetration in the premium retail segment. Ethical and sustainable positioning. Both brands emphasize ethical practices, sustainability, and social responsibility. Lush is celebrated for its commitment to natural, cruelty-free products, while John Lewis has built its reputation on quality, ethical retailing. This shared value system can enhance the authenticity of joint marketing campaigns and strengthen customer trust. Employee-ship ownership synergy. John Lewis is famously 100% employee-owned, and Lush has a 10% employee benefit scheme. This mutual commitment to empowering staff as stakeholders can create a sense of shared purpose, enhance internal motivation, and further strengthen the appeal of both brands. Innovative in-store experiences and co-creation, exclusive product lines and in-store promotions. A partnership could lead to co-branded or exclusive products offering exciting and exclusive products. In-store experiences that integrate Lush's sensory product demonstration with John Lewis's polished retail environment can drive foot traffic and boost sales. Operational synergies and data insights, shared expertise and infrastructure. John Lewis established logistics and retail expertise can support Lush's expansion efforts. This partnership might allow for streamlined supply chain process and better inventory management. Next, we will look at preserving culture and company structure. First of all, we conduct a comprehensive cultural assessment by designing surveys and focus groups to capture Lush's deep-rooted ethical stance, hands-on creativity, and grassroots leadership style. This assessment should compare Lush's agile, innovative culture with John Lewis's formal, structured approach, pinpointing areas where values such as practices such as open communication and staff empowerment either align or clash. Establish an integration management team by forming cross-functional committee with representatives from both Lush and John Lewis. Their mission will be to balance Lush's nimble approach with John Lewis's established protocols, ensuring that both sets of strengths are effectively integrated. Communicate a shared vision that unifies Lush's commitment to cruelty-free, ethically sourced products with John Lewis's reputation for quality and service. Invest in joint leadership training by offering workshops and mentoring programs that merge Lush's grassroots style with John Lewis's formal management practices, emphasizing collaboration, adaptive thinking, and creative problem solving. Finally, implement continuous monitoring by tracking employee sentiment, store performance, and sustainability metrics. Regular assessments and real-time adjustments will ensure that Lush's core identity is maintained while leveraging John Lewis's operational strengths for successful integration. Thank you for listening.